Hey everybody, it's Kathy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing 3 t-shirts with you that I recently received from a company based in California, Thread Tank. They reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in trying their t-shirts and sharing them with my audience. So I said, sure. They have generously offered a coupon code for you where you can receive 10% off any purchases. It will be linked in the description box, and my coupon code is Kathy's Easy Beauty 10. This is one of the t-shirts that they sent me, and it says grateful. I got to choose all 3. They have tons of colors, sizes, and designs, and the t-shirts are for women, men, toddlers, children, so they've got everybody covered. The quality is very good. The shirts are made in the USA. Thread Tank's motto is stories you can wear. And every t-shirt comes with a tag on it. And it says, stories are chapters we write about life's journeys. Memories are diaries that we carry with us. At Thread Tank, every shirt has a beginning and, most importantly, a great ending. How will your story go? So the idea is that you pick stories that relate to you. And one thing that I always say is that I'm very grateful. I decided to go with different shades of gray because I like gray. I find as I'm aging, black and white can be a bit too harsh, and I find gray is a nice neutral. I would say the sizing is true to size, so follow their sizing guide. I decided to go with a 2XL because I don't like things that are too tight, and I would say that I'm glad that I sized up. I usually wear an XL because the t-shirts fit very comfortably. As you can see, I chose this one. It has a scoop neckline, which is flattering, and a nice light gray. And as I said, it has black lettering that says grateful. For another t-shirt, I chose a little bit of a darker gray. And this one says beauty is ageless. And it has a heart on the bottom. And then for my final t-shirt, I went with one that has a longer sleeve and a totally different type of a neckline. It's kind of an off the shoulder, and it's just a giant heart. And I thought that this was so cute. So I will try all the t-shirts on it so you can get an idea of how they look on me. I'm 5'4". So all of the t-shirts are machine washable. A little bit of information, their t-shirts are designed in-house and printed to order in Los Angeles, California. They use the best quality ink in order for your designs and t-shirts to withstand the test of time and washes. They're super comfortable. Like I said, there's a wide range of sizing, lots of different color choices. I mean, the possibilities are endless because you could get this t-shirt in a different color. There's tons of choice for color, sizes, and graphics. And I will put links to each of the t-shirts that I'm wearing in this description box just in case you want a little more information. They are so comfortable, and I just love how they have the little sayings on them. I think this is my favorite, the one with the heart. I might order a short sleeve t-shirt just with the heart because I love hearts. As you can see, my necklace is a heart. They're adorable. I'm really pleasantly surprised whenever I receive them, the quality. So I'm gonna model all 3 t-shirts for you, starting with this one. I think this one's my favorite. I love the scoop neck. It's very flattering on me, and I really love the color. Has a nice length to it. It's really comfortable. I can't express that enough. I'm grateful for you guys. I've tried on the long sleeve one with the heart just to show you. It has a band at the waist and long sleeves, and as you can see, the neckline's a little bit different. You can wear it a little bit off the shoulder. But I love the heart, and I like the color of the gray. It's a nice gray, it's flattering. This is a darker gray one, and it has a crew neck. I usually like a V-neck, but I just wanted to give this one a try because I like the color of the gray, and I like the graphic beauty is ageless. But just to give you an idea of how long they are, I am 5'4". You know, I would tuck the front in, but yeah, that's what this one looks like. The t-shirts look great. I'm kind of a t-shirts girl. You can wear them around the house, being real casual, or if you're going out, you could pop on a jean jacket, and it would look great underneath that. So be sure to go check out Thread Tank's website. As I said, they've offered a generous 10% coupon code for all of my viewers. It will be linked in the description box, and I will put links to the 3 t-shirts that I chose, and be sure to go check them out so you can get more information. But just to sum it up, I'm really happy. The quality is great. The sizing's true to size. The colors that I chose, really like them. They're comfortable. and I think they're going to be really, really durable because of the quality. It's really, really good. So thank you, Thread Tank, for allowing me to try out your t-shirts so I could share them with you. And if you're new here, I would really love it if you subscribe to my channel for more easy beauty fashion videos. I hope that you have a great day, and thanks for spending time with me today. Bye.